Hi everyone, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be planting some blueberries. I will be planting 3 types of blueberries in this spot. This is a 3x3 box that we have created using pallets. One of the blueberries is called Sunshine Blueberry, which is hardy for zones 5 and up. And the other one is called an Emerald Blueberry, which is hardy for zones 7 and up. It says this Emerald Blueberry can grow as tall as 6 to 8 feet. So I'm gonna put this in the back of the box. So basically the sun is from there, and blueberry plants need full sun. So this raised bed will get at least 6 to 8 hours of sun. So this is a good spot for the blueberry. I believe the Sunshine Blueberry is shorter, so it's gonna go in front, and then the Emerald, which is taller, will go in the back. And then I have a third plant. I got this from Walmart a while back. A bear root, or whatever you call this one. I don't know if it's still alive, but I'm gonna try to plant this. It does not say what variety it is. All it says is, it probably has, okay, so it says this is a blue crop blueberry. I have not researched on this kind yet, but I'm gonna plant this in the same raised bed as well. So I will just do one preparation of the raised bed. I'm going to prepare the soil. So I have dug up and kind of mixed up the soil, and this is really a good soil. It's full of life. It has a lot of earthworms in it, and I have amended this one over the fall and the winter. This is the spot where I used to grow my sweet potatoes, and so I'm changing it into blueberries. And since blueberry plants are perennials, then the blueberries are gonna stay in this spot for a long time. Let's talk about prepping the soil. So I'm going to amend the soil, even if it looks super nice already, but then blueberries are a special type because they like acidic soil. So in addition to using all-purpose slow-release fertilizer, I'm going to use a soil acidifier. So I just got this bag of soil acidifier from the store, and this should lower the pH. New plants will need 1¼ cups of this. And so I'm just going to, I don't really have a measuring cup, so I'm just going to estimate what I put in here. So I'm going to go ahead and first add this slow release all-purpose fertilizer. So I'm going to spread this here. And then we're going to add the soil acidifier. Again, it's because blueberries like acidic soil. And then I will work these amendments into the soil. So I'm just gonna use this little hand shovel that I have, and then mix the amendments in the soil like this. So I have created a planting hole. I'm just gonna drop a handful of all-purpose fertilizer and some soil acidifier in the planting hole, and I'm gonna do this for both planting holes for the 2 different kinds of blueberries. So I'm planting the Emerald Blueberry here. Okay, so we'll put this beautiful plant right here, and I'm going to fill it back with the native soil in this raised bed. And I still have room here, so I can add some more soil to this raised bed. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the label. Okay, So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the label on here so I know that this is the emerald blueberry. Next, we are planting the sunshine blueberry. So I'm adding the all-purpose fertilizer again and a little soil acidifier in the planting hole, although I've already added them in the whole raised bed, but I like putting the fertilizer in the planting hole as well. And I'm just gonna grab this and put the plant in the hole and fill it back up with the soil. Next, we're gonna water our newly planted blueberries. Just gonna water all over the plant, all over around it. Later on, I will put an irrigation line in here so the plants will get enough water even if I don't have time to water them. Next thing I'm gonna do is to mulch this raised bed. So I'm just gonna be using my favorite mulch. These are pine shavings. You can get from your farm supply store. So this mulch helps keep the moisture in the ground. It's a great idea to mulch your plants. Next, I'm going to just hit this with some more water to wet the mulch. So I mulch it all over this 3x3 raised bed. There should be room enough for my blueberries to grow. And maybe I can plant one more on this side. So this is the emerald blueberry, this one's the sunshine, and that is the blue crop. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll never miss a video. Thank you for watching and happy gardening!